Dear Israeli customers, you are warmly welcome. It is our great honor to welcome you and show you our proud LED technology. First, we will take you to visit our carefully crafted LED screen showroom, which showcases excellent LED displays in various sizes and application fields. Here, we will explain the working principle of LED screen in detail, giving you an in-depth understanding of its amazing image performance and wide range of applications. Then, we will show you the installation process of LED modules. Through vivid explanations and practical demonstrations, we will demonstrate the assembly steps, connection methods and installation details of LED modules. This will give you a clearer understanding of LED screen construction, as well as our professionalism in engineering and installation. We look forward to sharing the cutting edge of LED technology and the essence of the installation process with you. If you have any questions or require more information, our dedicated team is here to support you.